you just take it easy, young lady. Just take it easy. We're gonna fix some supper for you there.
$30-day too.
You see him do that?
What'd I tell you?
Well, he was crazy, wasn't he? He was.
Not as crazy as you are.
Oh, no, but really, he had to be. Because, did you see him? He was running up and had his arms and everything. He was going like that. I'm sorry.
Right me up.
Howdy. How are you?
Howdy, boys. What can I do for you?
Would you fill her up, please?
Got no gas here.
Damn it.
You're out of gas?
My tank's empty. And, the transport won't be through until later this afternoon. Maybe not even until tomorrow morning.
Oh.
What the hell's the matter with that man?
Oh, my God, damn.